Hello guys, welcome to the third episode of Geography Quiz. This quiz will be about our universe and solar system. So let's start with our first question. Question number 1 is Leonid's shower emerged from which constellation? Options are A. Leo, B. Aquarius, C. Cygnus, D. Aries. And the answer is A. Leo. If you don't know meteor or shooting star, they are small pieces of rocks which when coming into the atmosphere of Earth burn and glow due to friction. Leonid shower is a meteor storm which appear to be coming from constellation of Leo. Question number 2 is lunar eclipse occur on option A new moon, option B full moon, option C third day of lunar month, option D not fixed. The correct answer is B full moon. Lunar eclipse always occur on full moon while solar eclipse occur on new moon. The question is in which part of world can we see aurora borealis? Options are A Arctic region, option B Antarctic region, option C between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is A Arctic region. Aurora borealis are northern beautiful lights seen in the Arctic region. Question number 4. Number of maximum eclipse solar plus lunar in a year is option A 5, option B 7, option C 1, option D none of the above. Is option B 7. A total of 7 eclipse solar plus lunar can occur in a year. This is max number depending upon the revolution of Earth and Moon and also tilt of their orbit. It does not mean there will be necessarily 7 eclipse. Question number 5 is why we see only one side of the moon? Options are A revolution time of moon is same as rotation time of Earth. Option B is revolution time of moon matches rotation time of the sun, so sunlight doesn't reach there. Option C is rotation time of moon matches with revolution time of moon. Option D is because of umbra and penumbra. So the right choice is option C, rotation time of moon matches with the revolution time of moon. Both is 27 days. Question number 6 is which of the following is not a satellite of Jupiter? Options are A Callisto, option B Europa, option C Tethys, option D all of them. And the correct choice is option C Tethys. Callisto and Europa are satellite of Jupiter. It has total 67 satellites, while Tethys is satellite of Saturn. Saturn has a total of 62 satellites. Question number 7 is temperature of corona of sun is option A 2,070,000 degrees Celsius, option B 32,400 degrees Celsius, option C 15 million degrees Celsius, option D is 2 into 10 to the power 27 Kelvin. And the correct choice is option A 2,070,000 degrees Celsius. Corona is beyond chromosphere where temperature is about 2,070,000 degrees Celsius. Option B 32,400 degrees Celsius is actually temperature of chromosphere. Option C 15 million degrees Celsius is temperature of corona, and option D is actually mass of sun. Question number 8 is which of the following gas is found on Mars? Option A nitrogen, option B argon, option C sulfur dioxide, option D both A and B. And the correct choice is option D, both A and B. Both nitrogen and argon are found in the atmosphere of Mars. Mars has actually very thin atmosphere, about 1/100th of that of Earth. Question number 9. Ceres is a A. Star, B. Meteorite, C. Comet, D. Asteroid. Right answer is asteroid. Ceres is an asteroid. It is in fact the largest asteroid in our solar system. Asteroids are tiny bodies as compared to planets. They also move around the sun between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars. So the last question in our list is question number 10, which is most common type of galaxy. Options are A. Elliptical galaxy, B. Spiral galaxy, C. Irregular galaxy, or option D. Both A and B are same. And the correct answer is B. Spiral galaxy. There are three types of galaxies: spiral, which is found nearly 80%, elliptical galaxy, and third is irregular galaxy. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you think you have learned something new, don't forget to share this with your friends. Also, comment your score in the comment box.